Okay, today, guys, we're going to work on setting up our websites for our Genius Hour project. And remember that the website is going to be used for me as well as the community to monitor your progress and see how the process is going, what you're working on, things like that. Okay, so we're going to start by going to not Google, sites.google.com. And what's going to pop up? Hopefully, the new sites will pop up like this. It should look exactly like you're seeing here. You might get into a page that looks like this, which is going to be the classic sites. We don't want that. Okay, so make sure you're right here in sites, and we're going to click new. And once that loads, we're going to start building our website from scratch. Now, I'm not asking you guys to go over the top, spend an exorbitant amount of time on your website, but I do want the website to lay out exactly what you're doing, okay? So we are going to title this, let's just say my Genius Hour, okay? And here, as you can see, we can add a logo. So if you want to add something to make it your own, you can do that. Down here, you can be adding certain layouts like this. So for example, if we pick a layout like that, you can start to add pictures. For example, let's say I wanted to do my Genius Hour on designing reusable bags for, I can't spell, sorry. Geez. There we go. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, and we can add a photo here. You can either upload a picture, you can select that, you can go from your drive. If we go to select image here, okay, we can search the entire internet. So let's say I want to say, not URL, there we go, reusable bag. And let's say I want to add this. Perfect. Can add that there. We can shrink it, make it bigger. Kind of depends on what you guys want to do. Okay. So this is what your homepage is going to look like. This, I just want you to make this your own. So if you remember, we looked at the different pictures about your passions and things like that. Okay. Feel free to put whatever you want in this. But if we want to go to pages, okay, notice how right now we only have one page, and that is our home page. We want to add a second page, okay? For example, weekly blog posts, okay, because remember we are answering those 3 questions. Here is where you can make a weekly post. Okay, so if I want to do insert text box, I can say week 1, date, let's just say today, just for fun. Okay, 10/30, 2019. This week I worked on forming my proposal. I need to contact the following people about my proposal, and so on and so forth, okay? So that's how we're going to add text. We can obviously add images. You can, from your Google Drive, you can embed documents, okay? You can do whatever you want. Now, I want you to have a weekly blog posts page, and then I also want you to incorporate a picture timeline page, okay? And with this picture timeline page, you are going to add pictures about the overall progress of your project, okay? So week 1, pictures, week 2, pictures, things like that. Right now, you guys aren't gonna have a lot of these photos, but as we build, as you start working towards your project, this is where you're going to update your viewers on what exactly you're doing. So for example, if you are doing a YouTube channel, okay, you can start to link your YouTube channel into this page. Okay, I am going to be around to answer any questions that you guys need. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions about what we're working on.